Hello! I realized I've posted like 4 times on YouTube this year and I have yet to do kind of an introduction, but my name is B. I'm 25 years old. I'm a full-time software engineer. I work a regular 9-to-5 job and then I try to make content on the side. Usually I talk about fashion, but recently I'm kind of moving into a more holistic view on just making your life beautiful in general. And you are currently watching episode 4 or 5 of my moving series. I just moved to a new apartment here in Seattle and we are on a journey to making this apartment beautiful. So if that sounds interesting to you, great, awesome, keep watching. And if that doesn't sound interesting to you, then I hope you stay anyways because I make cozy vlogs and I could be your new favorite comfort YouTuber, so. Today, I have something pretty exciting. If you watched my last video, and I hope you did, if you didn't, you should go watch it. If you're interested in where my mind's at in terms of decorating this space, I got a package specifically geeked about this one because I have been waiting for these cabinets to go back in stock in my local IKEA because I have this vision for my living room for these like beautiful walnut cabinets that I'm gonna use as kind of like a credenza or like a sideboard type of situation. It just came in stock literally yesterday and I ordered them as soon as I got the notification. I've literally been waiting for these for like 2 months, guys. But I also ordered a bunch of other stuff at IKEA. So let's do a little haul. Let me, I kind of want to move to a place with better lighting because this is not working for me. Maybe this is better. Apologies in advance for my ugly background. If you're keeping up with me in this series, you'll notice that there's less boxes here. Can we all just like be super proud of me because admittedly I've been here for 2 months and there really shouldn't be any boxes anymore, but yeah, what can I say? I told you guys I'm a corporate girly. I work 9 to 5 and I just came back from Coachella. Like, hello. There's only so much I can do in a day. So this is kind of boring, but I got these like plastic storage bags that I'm hoping to put under the bed for like storing like winter clothes or like stuff that I don't need all the time. Currently I have something similar to this under my bed already, but they're kind of like old and gross and they have like holes in them and they're kind of really hard to take out from under the bed. So I thought that by switching to these, it would make my life a lot easier. Yeah, these are really cheap. They were like $2 each. And then I got these, which are like inserts that you could put in your kitchen cabinets so that you could hang like cups up there. And then I got this, which is a fridge like box insert. I think I'm gonna add this to my fridge and just like put, I don't know, cheese or something in there. And then I got this like lid organizer. I'm gonna actually use it for my Tupperware, get a little more organized there. And then I bought another clip kind of shelf insert. I actually forgot what exactly I had in mind when I bought this. I don't know, I'll figure it out though. You could just like attach it to like a shelf and then you have like just another way to maximize space. And then I'm really excited about this. I got little wheels for my Alex drawer. I really wanted my Alex drawer to be portable. I usually store my makeup and hair stuff in there. As it currently stands, I do not have a static place for a vanity. I kind of like the idea of being able to move around wherever I need it. It just gives me more options. I'm just really excited. And then lastly, I got this little drawer organizer. It's kind of like felted. I'm planning to put it inside my desk drawer to give it a little more organization, but now that I'm looking at it, I think it might be too big to put in there, so I'll have to do something else with it. This is meant for the Alex drawers originally, so if it doesn't end up fitting in my desk, then I'll probably just put it. Yeah, that's all.
Being good on Sundays don't mean you clean on Thursdays.